measure all three angles of the triangle shown in figure below and write the measure down near the respective angles. Okay, let's do this first. So let's do that. What do we have? 1, 2, 3. Now, first thing is let's almost there. We got an approximate answer, and that is, let me zoom in. Okay, can you guys measure this? Yeah, this is better. This is approximately, I have to take 0, remember? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. I'm able to cross 40, so it's more than 40. And it's somewhere between 44 and 45. So let us take it as 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. That's how I can write it. Next, we have the upper one. We need to do a bit of circus for all of this. We have it over here, and okay guys, so what is the measure? I would want you guys to do it yourself, right? I think that's good enough. Try to do it. So everything is overlapping and center and everything. The circle which we have to consider is 0 is in the inner circle, and we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and it's a bit more than 70. It looks like 71. So this is 71 degree. And then finally we have the last one. Okay, good enough. Zooming in, good enough. And we have, this is approximately, again, can you please go through this? 0 is over here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and this is 65. So this is 65. Okay, yes, I think I messed up. 65, 100. I think this is supposed to be 70 degree. I didn't measure it well. That's 70 degree, guys. Okay. Why, you will understand. How did I get to know it's 70 degree? That you will understand in some time. Next, we have the next triangle. Where is it? 65, 25. Okay. Oh, this is a simple, straightforward angle. Looks like it. Okay. Not exactly, but manageable. Let's see if I can work it out to be exact. Not able to. Okay, so everything is all right. Looks to be so. Better. So this looks to be 60. Okay, you guys should be measuring this. So we're looking at inner circle, right? Everything is overlapping. All of that verification is done. Inner circle, and we have crossing 60, but not going to 70. So 60, it's 60 plus 60, 61, 62. So I'll write this as 62 degree. Okay, at the other end, I should have done this. Save time. Yep. So this is also turns out to be, is this 120? Think about it. How much is this? No, we have to use the outer circle, right? Initial arm is touching the outer circle 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Not crossing 60, so 61, 62. This is also approximately 62. And finally, what do we have? Right. Okay. Now, can you measure it? This is pretty interesting. So we have 0 on the outer circle. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And not crossing 50. So this is 51, 52, 53, 54. So let me write this as 54. Is that correct? This was between 62 and 63. I'll make this as 63. Again, I'll explain the reason for this manipulation. Since it's a software, I will not be getting the exact value. So I will be a bit off, guys. So don't mind. Okay, all good. Then we have, I think, better. Okay, yeah. What is the measure of ACB? So where should we consider the outer 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. It's crossing 90. It's even crossing, yeah, 90 only, not crossing 100. So it's somewhere 95, 96, 97, 98. It looks to be 98 degree. This looks to be 98 degree. Bit more than 90. It looks like that. It does. Then we have the other angle. Moving the triangle itself. Right? And this looks to be how much? Clearly this is correct. 30 degree. Is it not? So we have the inner circle 0, 10, 20, and this is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. And finally P. Okay, that for that we need to play around with the protractor. Oh, sorry. We need to measure angle B, not angle C. Okay, it's kind of right. So this turns out to be how much? Please measure. Please look at it. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. It's crossing 50 and it's on 51 degree. So 51 degree. I'll make this as 99 degree, guys. Okay. Again, bit of manipulation because I can't measure things exactly. And so we have a bit of manipulation. Now, what is the second part of the question? Now add up the three measurements. So basically, I need to add up sum of all angles. How much are there in this case? 45 degree plus 70 degree plus 65 degree. I don't have space. I'm going to write it here. So that will be, this will be 60, 40 is 100, 110, 180 degree. Is that correct? Try doing the sum of the next one. Sum of all angles. Please pause and do the sum. +60 +60 +50. That will be 12, 110. 110 plus 10. Wait, what? Sorry, 170, my bad. 170 plus 10 is 180 degree. Let's look at this. Sum of all angles is equal to 30 degree plus 51 degree plus 99 degree. It's a simple addition. And this is 180 degree. Agree? Okay, so we have 180. What do we get? We get 180. Do the same for the triangle in figure BC. Yes, it's the same for all the triangles. Try it for other triangle as well, and then make a conjecture. I think T is silent over there. Basically, opinion. Have an opinion about it. See, I already taken enough time. So I'm not going to do the fourth triangle. But what can we see from the three triangle? 1, 2, and 3. So we can observe that, sorry, my spellings, not spelling, sorry, handwriting. What is the observation? We can tell that sum of all angles in any triangle is 180 degree.